Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we got the grill fired up and we're going to cook some ribs, but not any old ribs. Stick around and check out and see what we got going on. Alright y'all, here you go. We got ourselves a full rack of ribs. We ain't playing with no baby backs, no sissified little ribs. You're gonna do ribs, you go full carnivore, and you do a full rack of ribs, man. Nothing better than a full rack. Love that full rack. So, okay, we're gonna flip this thing over and get started here. First thing is there's a membrane on the back. Most times, you gotta get in there, get that membrane off there. If not, they can be kind of chewy. Sometimes it comes off in little pieces, sometimes it comes off in a big slab. So right there you can see how I'm getting my finger underneath there. So let me work on getting that off of there, and then we'll bring you all back and show you where we go from here. Alright y'all, we got that membrane most all off there. Now I'm going to do a rub on mine. You can do yours however you want, but anytime I put a rub on, I like to start out with some mayonnaise. And mayonnaise, all it is oil and egg. It's a nice binder. Get that sucker. Just makes it stick a little better. Makes your rub stick a little better. Doesn't change the flavor. It won't taste like mayonnaise. Like I said, it's just oil and egg. Actually, it makes a really nice crust. So, alright. Nice thin layer of that on there. Get down here along these bottom of these ribs up here. Get some up here. Move some of that up there. Alright. Now, I have a rub that I mix up. It's my secret recipe. And I don't share it with anybody. So, don't ask. But I will tell you, it does have brown sugar and cayenne pepper in it, so it's good stuff. And there's about 9 or 10 other ingredients in that rub, so alright. That all patted in there. Need just a little bit more over here. Alright, there you go. There's that side. Nice and crusty. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to do the same thing on this side over here. My mayonnaise out here. Being my fingers are already slimy, I'm just going to use my hand to put it on here. Get all the edges. And I'm running a little bit low, it looks like, maybe on that rub. So, but it'll be alright. Trust me. Alright, let me get something to wipe my hand off here a little bit. Alright. Dump the rest of that rub right out there on that. We're going to move it around. Try to get most all the surfaces here. Like I said, I'm running a little bit low on that, but it ain't no big deal, because we are going to put some barbecue sauce on there. Yes, I said barbecue sauce. You all know I'm not a huge fan of the barbecue sauce, but ribs you got to have barbecue sauce on, so. Alright. That looks good. I'm going to clean my hands up, and we're going to take this sucker out, and we're going to toss it on the charcoal grill. So, give me a minute, and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. This coal should be good and ready, so let's get this party started. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Now we're going to start out rib side down, bone side down, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to pick it up, set it on there just like that. Close the lid. Close our vent here a little bit. We're going to forget about this for about 15 or 20 minutes. Don't mess with it. So we're going to let it cook. We'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's give these a little peek here. Woo. Oh yeah. Get a little flameage going, no problem. We ain't worried about that. I ain't worried about that. So, yeah. Close that down. I'll close the vents down a little bit on my grill here. Kind of get it settled down a little bit. She's running a little bit warm, so. Alright, we're going to let her go for 5 minutes or more here. 5 or 10 more minutes. And we're going to flip them over. So, when we get ready to do that, we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. It's been about another 10 minutes. Ooh, oofa. Look at that. Look at that beautiness. Alright. I'm going to take our meat fork here. Oh. Don't worry about that char on there. That's what makes it good. Alright. We're going to close this down. We're going to let her cook for probably another 15 minutes or so. And look at that. That is beautiful. Ooh. Alright. Alright, we're going to let that cook. Alright, y'all. That side's been cooking a little bit. We're going to go ahead and slather on a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's. Just a little bit on this side. Not a whole lot. And that char you're seeing on there, that is just the brown sugar burning. That meat is not burnt. That just makes it a nice crust on there. Alright. Got some of that Sweet Baby Ray's on that side. This is the bone side, so you don't need a whole lot. You know. Alright. Alright. Set that off to the side. Close this back up. We're going to let that side cook just for a few more minutes, and then we'll flip her over and put some Sweet Baby Ray's on the other side. Alright, y'all. That side's been cooking a little while now. So we're going to flip it over again. Ooh. Oh, that's some beautiful stuff right there, y'all. Definitely some beautiful stuff. So, get some of that Sweet Baby Ray's. Or coat this side. Running low on it, y'all. But we don't need a whole lot. Alright, that should be plenty. Get all brushed around on there. Alright. Now we're going to close the lid on this pig and let it cook a little bit longer. And then we're going to show you the next very, very important step to the delicious ribs. Alright, y'all. We're back in the kitchen here now. We're going to move on to the next step in my delicious ribs. I'm going to get yourself some aluminum foil here. Now watch, these are going to be hot. So, woo, really hot. Alright. Take that aluminum foil. Now I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit more of my rub. I did mix a little bit up. Alright. A little bit more there. Now, what I like to do is I want to kind of fold that up a little bit if you can. Kind of like that. Maybe. Alright, there we go. Well, safety seal. There we go. Alright. Now, y'all can use apple cider vinegar, but myself, I like just to dump a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette down and around here. This is going to act like a steaming medium to kind of steam these ribs, because we're going to wrap it in another chunk of aluminum foil here. And we're going to take it back out, throw her back on the grill. So, there we go. Got another piece of aluminum foil there. Fold that edge up, fold that edge up. Fold it up. We're making a rib sandwich here. This is better than anything, make a rib. I guarantee. Fold that up, fold that up. And make it airtight, liquid tight. Which I kind of missed there on that end, but it'll be alright. We got her sealed up. So, alright. Now, at this point, you can put it on a baking sheet, throw it in the oven, you know, 350, 300, somewhere right in there, and just bake it for an hour or two. We got the grill still going out there, so we're going to take her out. We're going to throw her back on that grill and let her cook probably about another hour, at least. Yeah, probably at least another hour, maybe an hour and a half. A lot of times I'll just let it cook until the coals are done. When the coals are done, food's done. So, alright, let me get it out there, and we'll get her back on, and then we'll bring you back when we get this sucker all ready to go. Alright, y'all, this has been cooking a good long while out there. It's time for the big reveal. So let's cut this thing open, and we'll see what we got going. Ooh, I can see it now. Try not to steam y'all out. Oh, look at that. Oh, y'all, we got to get smell-o-vision going here, y'all. Because, you know, it just, look at that meat just popping off of there. That is a thing of beauty. So, alright, I'm going to get this out of this foil pack here, and we'll get her cut up, and we'll do a taste test. Alright, y'all, we got out of that foil pack. We're going to cut us a couple ribs here. Right there's a spot between. You guys don't know how hard it was to get this off here, or off there, in one piece. I mean, that is just some goodness there. We're going to go ahead and cut us a couple more here. I mean, that is just fall apart tender. I'm trying to keep it together for y'all. Alright, got a couple ribs there. I'm gonna grab me a plate, and then we'll do the taste test. Alright, y'all, we got the beverage of the day. It's Crystal Springs Orange Mango Sparkling Water. It's really good stuff. Good citrusy flavor. Go great with these ribs. So, alright, let's do this taste test now. Alright, y'all, talk about fall off the rib, off the bone. Right there. I mean, that That thing just fell right out of there. I mean, whoo, look at that. That is just fall off the bone. Tender. And that just come right apart. Y'all, it don't get much better than that. That stuff just falling off the rib, so. That's some good stuff right there, y'all. I really wish we had smell-o-vision. That little piece of tendon right there. Grab this little bone down here. That is one clean bone right there, y'all. That is delicious stuff, man. I'm telling you. I usually don't eat more, just a couple bites in front of y'all. This is too good. That is so good. Alright. I'm ready to pick myself enough in front of y'all. Don't get it on you, it's not good barbecue. So, anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope you're going to try this. Easy way to get really good, tender, delicious ribs. Wrap them in the foil there afterwards. Like I said, you can use apple cider vinegar. I like the balsamic vinegar dressing myself. Just gives a little bit of different flavor to it. Mix up your own rub. Buy a rub. Doesn't matter. A little bit of barbecue sauce in there to give it that barbecuey flavor. And then slow roast it. Whether it's on the grill or in the oven. I like to do mine on the grill first and then finish them off on the grill. If you got the charcoal going, you might as well let it cook out there, But if you have a gas grill, you don't want to waste that gas. Excuse me. If you guys got a gas grill and you don't want to waste that gas, bring them in, throw them in the oven. It all works the same. So, anyways, appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out what I was cooking today. If you would please go down there and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a little like there. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you do anything different. Tell me how you do your ribs. I'm always open to suggestions. Cooking is not set in stone. It is perception of how you want and what your tastes are. So, anyways, thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. Come in Sunday night. Check out the live stream. Hang out with us. Chat with us. Have a good time. It's at 7 p.m. every Sunday evening. That's Eastern Time. Thank you again. We'll catch you all on the next one. As always, bon appetit.